IBM Same Time, IBM Notes Social Edition, and IBM Connections working together creates a social communications solution that can save Zeta Bank money and increase productivity throughout the organization. This is Renata Washington. She's an account manager for Zeta Bank, so she works directly with customers, collaborates with other account managers and service representatives, and consults with regional managers across the world. She usually starts her day reviewing her current email messages. Her manager, Paul, has sent her a notice asking her to review the latest staffing proposal posted to the Files application in Connections. With Notes Social Edition, Renata can download the file and post a comment telling Paul when she will complete her review. She can do all of this without leaving the mail message. While Renata is still reviewing her messages, Min Lee, a customer service representative, pings her to see if Renata can jump on a call with a customer, Sally Brown, who has questions about one of her loans. Renata accepts the incoming call and answers the customer's questions. She realizes that more clarification on the account policies in Brazil would be helpful, and perhaps her manager can help her with that. Paul is online, and she sees that he is not currently on the phone, so she starts a video call with him. Paul is helpful, but thinks that Al Moreno, the country manager, will be better able to address the issues, so Renata invites him to join the call by just dragging his name into the video window. Al tells Renata and Paul that there's a connections community called Brazil Policies, where employees can discuss banking policies, procedures, and frequently asked questions specifically related to accounts in Brazil. She adds the Brazil Policies Connections community to her Same Time Advanced broadcast communities, so she can ask the community members questions in real time. Renata decides to use SkillTap to send a question about the policies related to the customer's question and allow experts within the community to provide answers and expertise. The members of the community who choose to participate will instantly receive an alert. Gail responds to say that her team has been working on the same issue. Gail would like to see the information that Renata has already gathered, so Renata easily shares with Gail a link to the Connections file containing the current policies. They decide to talk on the phone about the policy details. Renata uses the click-to-call function to call Gail. Using Same-Time Unified Telephony, she can call Gail even without knowing her phone number. After she finishes the call, Renata checks her activity stream to see that the account managers community has a video call at 3 p.m. She plans to join that call later today. After lunch, Renata leaves her office to travel to one of the branches. Because she uses Same-Time Unified Telephony, she can set call routing rules that indicate what device should ring based on her location, status, time of day, or even who is calling her. Renata uses her cell phone in the branch office, so her current device changes automatically when her location changes. Paul places a call to Renata and reaches her on her cell phone. He reminds her that there's a meeting with a colleague on the U.S. West Coast later in the day that he'd like her to join. Prior to the account manager's video call, Renata browses through the account manager's Connections community. She notices a new forum post from Ron Espinoza. She sees his picture and looks at his business card to find out more about him. If she needed or wanted to, she could email or chat with him right here from the community. Renata can easily join the account manager's video call right from the community page and engage with all of the account managers. Later that afternoon, Renata has some more policy questions that she thinks Al can answer. From her notes client, she can quickly find him using Type Ahead and call him directly to quickly get her questions answered. At the end of the day, Renata leaves her laptop in the office. She uses her tablet to join the U.S. West Coast meeting with Paul and his colleague. With IBM Same Time, IBM Notes Social Edition, and IBM Connections, Renata can easily connect with her colleagues to solve customer problems, share the most up-to-date product and policy information, and stay connected from any location. She can do anything from anywhere with anyone, making her a very productive account manager.